Here's a delicious recipe for a funny, yummy toonie. The Parrot. For this recipe, you need 1 apple, 2 little bunches of red currants, 2 cherries, and 2 raisins. Ask a grown-up to cut the apple in 2 for you. Then they should square off 1/2, but keep the parts they cut off. Use the bunches of red currants to make some pretty plumage on the parrot's head. Then use the discarded pieces of apple to make its wings and its beak. You can use the raisins to make its eyes, and the cherries to make its feet. And then you're all done. What a pretty parrot! A few steps to the left, a few steps to the right. Yum, yum, yummy! It's your turn now. Come back soon for another recipe. Yum, yum, yummy!